Hello, I'm Mahir Irfan. I'm a postdoctoral researcher and a Digital Futures Fellow at KTH Royal Institute of Technology in Speech, Music and Hearing. With more than 1 billion people, over 60 worldwide, creating technology that supports the aged to live independently for longer by assisting them in everyday tasks became essential. However, current technology falls short in maintaining engagement over long-term interactions. Among the reasons is the inability to learn from users and adapt, known as lifelong learning, especially with an open domain dialogue that is not limited to any topic. That's why this project aims to develop a personalized companion robot for elderly care that learns about users through open domain dialogue to provide personalized support and assistance over long-term interactions. For this purpose, we propose using a large language model such as GPT-3, Bloom or BlenderBot that generates dialogue responses based on training data and input. For personalizing conversations and generating coherent responses with multiple users over time, the facts about the agent and the users are extracted from conversations which are input to the model along with the current dialogue. Typically, these facts can be stored in a knowledge base. However, over long-term interactions, this is not scalable, as the data about the user will increase and change over time, which makes it challenging for the model to find the relevant information. And so I will update the model with data continuously over time using lifelong learning techniques. In order to better understand the needs and preferences of the elderly, we conducted semi-structured interviews with 6 elderly volunteers. They also interacted with the fur hat robot with personalized dialogue using GPT-3, as shown here from an excerpt.
Hello, I am Furpat, the personalized companion robot. What is your name?
My name is Elizabeth.
Do you have any hobbies?
I read a lot, and I also like to pick berries.
These interviews showed some of the challenges to address throughout the project. First of all, the model kept on repeating same responses, and the small talk generated felt artificial and interrogative. That's why we need to find the lifelong learning and a language model that's best suitable for elderly. In addition, older adults in Sweden may not be fluent in English, which creates a barrier of interaction with the language models that are trained on English data. This can be overcome by translating from English to Swedish and vice versa. However, this brings additional challenges in speech recognition and translation. But speaking English may also improve the non-native speakers' English level as well. That's why we want to explore this further with young adults over a 3-week study, which will also show the capabilities of the robot, after which the robot will be deployed in an elderly care house for a month. If you have any questions or suggestions about the project, feel free to reach out, and thank you for listening.